This is a quick and easy way to reset your gateway. Let's say you don't see the Wi-Fi name up here on your phone because something happened and you're in there, but you don't know how to change. You're afraid to mess with anything. Go on the back side of this gateway, press this red button down right here for about 20 seconds. And within 20 seconds, it's going to completely reboot the gateway back to factory settings. Your Wi-Fi name and password will work as long as the cable isn't cut or anything like that. But sometimes these things will have to be rebooted. And if you have a custom Wi-Fi name and password, you know how to get that back on there. But if you don't, by pressing this red button down for 20 seconds, that is how it will work out. Once that happens, it'll start resetting, going white, and then you'll populate with your Wi-Fi name and password. And now Wi-Fi name and password has been fully restored to factory settings. You can now see the WUV, and on the computer, you now see that it is asking for a network connection. So we're in business. Have a nice day.